Alright, so the time graph for this RRSP question is the following. So the retirement age in Canada is 65. So 65 you can retire. You don't have to work anymore, and the government gives you your RRSP back as well as your Canada pension plan back. Okay, so if you work a certain amount of years, there's a certain amount of money that gets the government gives you or your employer gives you for when you retire. So here's 20, 21, 22, 23. So he puts down how much per year? 1,000?
Yes.
So mathematically, what we need to calculate is the future value of in each of these $1,000. Alright, so it's $1,000 times by 1 point. What's the interest rate? 7%.
0.07.
And how many years is that? From 23 to 65.
Still 3.
So if you're confused what it is, right? Just think of it this way. Let's say you put this $1,000 here, right? And then you want to know how much how much of this $1,000 accumulate by the time you hit 21st birthday. How many years exactly has passed by? 1. So you can get that by doing 21 minus 20, right? So the pattern will continue. You can do 65 minus 23, which is going to be 42, right? So next future value is 1.07, right? 41. Oh, sorry, 43. My bad. 44 and 45. Okay, so to add that up, if you actually factor out the 1,000, you get this: 1.0742, 1.0743, 1.0744. So this is 1,000. What's A in this case? So we got to use this formula again. Right. R to the power of n minus 1, R minus 1.
So what's the number from?
The number of years is how many? It's not number of years, it's number of terms. Remember, right? How many terms do you have? 4, right? So it's going to be A is 1.07 to the power of 42. The common ratio is 1.07, 4 minus 1, right? And 1.07 minus 1. So make sure you understand that this A is that right there. Okay, that's the first term, right?
So 23 is the first term.
Yeah, R is right here. This is the R. That's the R, right? Yeah, so this is right. So if you do this, you get a total amount of 76,119.52 approximately.